Is your snoring damaging your relationship or marriage? Snoring can cause sleepless nights, frustration, and strained relationships. Sleep Saver is the solution you've been searching for. Say goodbye to nightly disruptions and hello to peaceful, quiet sleep. This advanced mouthpiece gently moves your jaw forward, opening your airway.
Plus,
It's
a
simple to
customizable
fit
fit
and
means it's
incredibly comfortable.
comfortable.
Wake up refreshed and revitalized. Join thousands who have found relief and saved their relationships with Sleep Saver. Try Sleep Saver today and bring peace back to your nights.